We are moving to the fourth way. What is the fourth way? Because. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Why do you offer prayer?
I offer prayer because it is my duty.
Because this is the commandment of Allah Almighty. Because this is one of the 5 pillars of Islam.
I offer prayer because it is one of the pillars of Islam.
Excellent. Please.
Mr. Mubashir offers prayers because it is one of the pillars of Islam.
Very good. Please. Why do you watch TV?
I watch TV because I want to get education, information and entertainment.
Very good. Why does he watch TV?
He watches TV because he wants to get education, information and entertainment.
Thank you. Please. Next question. Why do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth because I want to look beautiful.
Very good. Please.
He brushes his teeth because he wants to look beautiful.
Very good. Ready? Yes. Why do you go to the university?
I go to the university because I want to secure my future, because I want to brighten my future.
Very good. Why does he go to the university?
He goes to university because he wants to brighten his future.
Very good, bet. Unko mar gaya? Eh gal like bas. Why do you contact your friends?
I contact my friends because I want to establish a relationship with them.
Very good. Because you want to establish relationship. Clear? Relationship with them. Ji beta, please.
He contacts his friends because he wants to establish a relationship with them.
Excellent. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Why do you obey Allah Almighty?
I obey Allah Almighty because He is my creator.
Because He guides you the right way. Because He shows you the right way. Because He is your creator. Excellent. Please.
He obeys Allah Almighty because He is His creator.
Excellent. Because He means
Allah Almighty.
Because Allah Almighty is His creator. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Why do you obey your mother?
I obey my mother because I love her.
Because you love her. Excellent. Please.
He obeys his mother because he loves her.
Very good. Ready? Why do you recite the Quran?
I read the Holy Quran because it guides me.
Because this is the book of guidance. Because it ensures success here and the hereafter. It ensures success here and the hereafter. Please.
He reads the Holy Quran because it guides him.
Very good. Please. Your turn. Yes, sir. C. Why do you visit the market?
I visit the market because I want to buy different things.
Why do you take exercise?
I take exercise because it is the need of my body.
Very good. You take exercise because it is the need of your body. Why does he take exercise?
He takes exercise because it is the need of his body.
This was the fourth way of responding to the why question. The last way designed over here for this platform. Any question?
No, sir.
Sir.
Thank you very much. See you soon, inshallah.